Yo guys, what is going on? And thank you for checking out the video. It has been about 2 weeks since I posted and about 3.5 weeks since I've ridden. So welcome back to the channel. We're happy to have you viewers here. But it's about 55 degrees today, incredible weather. So figure we get out and shred this old CRF. We really got to get out more frequently though now. I'm like knocking the dust off of myself with these wheelies like every time I ride at this point. Work's been crazy, but we're back. It's getting to be warm weather. We're gonna get out here, practice a lot, and we'll start with the first wheelie in like 3 weeks. So here we go. See if we can still do it. Oh, we can. We can still wheelie. Sort of. Look at all those chickens. I'm gonna go rip it up to that parking lot that's over there. It's so warm that you're getting that spring feeling. You get excited. I hate the cold, so I'm very happy for it to be warming up now. Ooh, so there's a little hill climb right here. I've only done it on my dirt wheels. I feel like it's dry enough to try on the Sumos though. There's only one way of finding out, right? Here we go. Ooh, slippery. This is new. Never seen this thing before. And we made it. Let's go. Off-road on the Sumo wheels. Let me guys give you a good look at this little bike right now, because she is looking pretty beautiful. Oh yeah, look at her. Mwah. Very good. And here we go. Good old parking lot. Woo. Some good air there. All right, foot down, first gear wheelie. Can we do it? Ooh, these are no joke. All right. Random paint. You know what this is good for? I also need to adjust my clutch, dude. Look at how it's grabbing so early. Okay. Oh, it feels sketchy is all I'm gonna say. All right, that was some good practice for the day on these circles, well, these quarter circles. Oh, what was that sound? All right, I reckon we'll go rip some second gear wheelies, try and do some coasters maybe. Like that. Pulled in the good old clutch there. Oh, I was wondering what that sound was. It was a stick. I'm like, is my gearbox just destroyed? Oh, another bike. There's no way a guy that has a top box on his bike is lane splitting, I'll tell you that. No shit, is he good? He's gonna send it, let's go. See, this is where you're a rookie, my guy. I take my own lane. This does feel a little sketchy. Do you hear that? But this spot right here is actually why my shift lever is bent. That's what I get for not riding enough. I always try to preach riding like, ooh, scared me, as frequently as possible. And that's why my wheelies suck. It's like going to the gym. If you don't go to the gym for a couple of weeks or like an extended amount of time, even like a couple of days, you'll feel pretty weak.
A few minutes later.
Well, this isn't good. I think I need to get new clutch wires here. These are pretty clapped. I actually replaced the front brake wires, but never the clutch. Okay, so I think we're back to being good. Clutch just did not feel good. Like, it felt soft almost. And it's because this thing just wasn't even in the threads. All right, let's see how it does now. See if the pop is still good. Oh, better. Better pop. That clutch made it feel really weird, but now I've got like the feeling, the sensitivity back in the clutch or in the throttle as well. That was weird though. I mean, it just literally came undone.
Today we're making these amazing glazed air fryer donuts.
Here's our guy. Dude, it's so funny how I just run into bikes and just literally follow them. People are probably just like, what the f? Does anyone else do that? Let me know in the comments. It's good, dude. I said I like the colors, dude. The underglow. Dude, and those are dope.
Somebody took your headlights off.
So you put them on. Is that an SV650? Yeah. That's nice, dude. Those are nice bikes. Good stuff. Can you wheelie it?
It's light, right? What is that?
It's a 250.
So it's light, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that light.
I'm scared, man. I get the wheel a little bit.
Dude, if you saw me a year ago, I couldn't, dude, I was scared shitless to get the wheel like an inch off the ground. See if he wheelies it. Oh, what a beautiful view. That looks sick, dude. I kind of want to pull in there. Very nice.